Hi guys, welcome back to Tupiki African YouTube channel where nothing tastes better than home food. So on today's episode, we'll be making this delicious potato recipe at the comfort of our home, and it has a lot of advantages because we've not used a lot of oil and it tastes like fries, and we don't have to put any sauce because, as you can see, the meal itself is a 10 out of 10. So kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and kindly comment down below on how you love your potatoes cooked. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you so much. Chopping your potatoes, and remember that you can always choose to either peel or let your potatoes remain with their peels. And now after peeling, you wash your potatoes thoroughly, and then this is the shape that I chose. Okay, I chose this shape, and you can choose any shape for your potatoes. Okay, just be creative. And then after shaping them, you ensure that you wash them in water to remove the excess starch. And also, our next ingredient is 3 red onions. Don't forget that. Okay, and then you grate your garlic and your ginger. We've also done that. And then you take your red bell pepper. If you have yellow bell pepper, you can also use that. And then for this recipe, we are going to use little to zero amount of oil. Okay, and as you've seen, we've just used just a little bit of oil. And then you add in your ginger and garlic. After stirring, you also add in your bell peppers, and then the only spice that you're going to use is seasoning spice. Okay, yeah, and good thing it's also going to give our food the red color, as it's as if you've put some paprika. So after letting it boil, you add in your potatoes. And remember guys, I've not put any water. Please don't put water at any juncture. Okay, so you give it a good stir and don't stay away from your meal, because remember we've put ginger and garlic, and your food is most probably to stick. Okay, so after you go and check and you see that your meal is almost sticking on the pot, you add in warm or hot water, not cold water, because cold water is going to make our food reverse cook. So after adding that, you're going to let your potatoes cook perfectly for about 30 minutes, and then you come with a knife. Okay, so here I was just checking whether my food is ready. Don't skip this step, because if you let your potatoes cook for too long, they're going to be mushy, and imagine it wouldn't make sense. Like, why did you even shape your potatoes? Okay, so after 30 minutes, my food was ready. And as you can see, I don't have like too much soup. My soup is like, my potatoes are just good. And these potatoes, I can just rate them a 10 out of 10. Okay, they were the best version of potatoes. If you're craving chips and you don't even have like oil, or maybe on a budget or on a diet, or you're just trying to live healthy, this is the meal to go. God bless you so much for watching. Thank you guys.